Hey everyone, it's Dan the Wellis Spa Man. I am at one of our other locations today, and they actually have a Wellis PeakLife Mandala 7-seat mid-size hot tub, wet and functional. So I figured, why not take the time to review how it all works and do a video on the Mandala. I do have another video on the Mandala, but it's just the tub dry, so this will be sort of in addition to that review. So this tub is 85 by 85 by 34 inches tall. It does have 7 individual seats. It has 46 jets. It is a 2-pump system. Each pump has 2 horsepower, and it does have the circulation pump. It also has all of the features you would expect from a Wellis hot tub: a composite frame, Scandinavian insulation updated for 2024. It has the updated ozone mixer system. It has the built-in digital water sanitization system. It can also be ordered with speakers, and it also has the Wellis Optimized Waterflow electronic diverted system. These hot tubs have over 68 worldwide patents, and this is one of our most popular models, mostly due to the size and the features you get at the price point. Of course, it does have the Gecko Smart Touch K1000 touchpad, and it does have Wi-Fi built in as well. If I missed anything, I apologize. I just went through that pretty quickly. So let's take a look at how this tub operates and some of the cool features that it has. So it's a 2-pump system, as you can see. It also has some waterfalls I forgot to mention, so we can show you what those look like soon. But let's take a look at, we'll do pump 2 to start. So pump 2 does this seat, and this seat. So one full pump doing those 3 seats. Right now I have the air injector valves on, so that will increase the strength and the pressure of the massage. If I were to turn them off, you could see it's quite a bit of a difference in pump strength. So let's do that one more time. So the air injector valve is off. Let's turn it on. Big difference. All right. So that's pump number 2. Now, pump number 2 is not tied to the Wellis electronic diverter system, but pump 1 is. So let's take a look at what that looks like. All right. So the waterfall has turned on because, just pop around here, it's tied to pump 1, and this will actually control that waterfall. So same knob on the other side does the other waterfall. It's turned off. All right, so let's take a look at this optimized water flow system. It's tied to pump 1. You have 2 modes on this system. You have manual mode and automatic mode. Right now it's on manual mode. You have left, middle, and right. When manual mode is on middle, that pump is splitting the power evenly between this seat, this seat, this seat, and this seat. So 4 seats tied to that first pump, and it's operating all 4. The air injector valves are on. So if I were to turn off the air injector valves, you can see the difference on this particular seat. Let me turn it back on. There you go. So if I were to go to the optimized water flow diverter and click manual mode, it will now shift the power left. So now all of that pump's power is going to those 2 seats, and the other 3 seats that it's tied to are now cut off. So if you want more power in those corner seats, you would divert the manual mode to the left. Another click on manual mode will send it back to the middle. So again, it's split. Remember, these 3 seats are off because they're not connected to that diverter system. That's all through pump 2. If I were to click manual mode again, it'll move it to the right. And now you see that those 2 seats have nothing going to them, and that all the power has been diverted right here and right here. And then you have the air injector valve again to control the flow in that seat. And then you can also control it in that seat as well. So that's using manual mode. Again, middle is going to split between all of the seats it's connected to, and then you have left and right to divert the power. Now, let's say I clicked on automatic mode. All right, if I put it on automatic mode, it's going to send the power there for 5 seconds. Then it's going to send the power back here for 5 seconds. So it's going to rotate back and forth, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. And as you can see, it is doing that. So this is Wellis's patent, the Wellis WOW system, Wellis Optimized Waterflow system, and that is essentially how it works. Remember, it doesn't matter what you have the Optimized Waterflow system set to. It has nothing to do with that second pump, which powers this seat, and that seat. So if you're wondering why this pump is on and touching this does nothing, you see it's not lit up. It's not connected to that seat. Hope that's helpful. Let's take a look at these LED lights. LED lights in every single jet. This tub lit up at night looks beautiful. On some of the larger tubs, there actually are a couple of zones for this. So in other words, you can have the LED lights on the exterior being a different color than the lights on the interior, which is pretty cool. On the mid-sized tubs, they leave that off. But essentially, that is the Wellis PeakLife Mandala, 85 by 85, 46 jets, 2 pumps, 2 horsepower each, circulation pump, built-in water analyzer system, all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a Wellis hot tub, all that great build quality. This is the Wellis PeakLife Mandala. Hope you enjoyed the video. Dan the Wellis Spa Man, signing off.